I'm going to put on the lower secondary chain guide. You have one long bolt here on the back and then a short one on the front. Careful not to drop those in the hole. Just wipe this off real quick. Okay, so this sets in right here like that, and you have to put your bolts in to hold it in place. Okay, there's one. Do not drop this one. Okay. So this needs to be 89 inch-pounds, which I do not have on my torque wrench, unfortunately. So I'm just going to snug it down and leave it at that. Find an extension. .89 inch-pounds. Probably be about right there. And I would say it'd be close to that right there. Just for the fun of it, I put my torque wrench to 1 foot-pound. Of course it has an extension and an adapter and all that, but yeah, that's it. Okay.